We're gonna make some Castile soap, okay? First you take your bar of soap, then you cut it up like so, till you get some little cubes about this big. A mason jar will hold your soap just fine. Any glass jar will hold your soap just fine. Put the soap cubes in the jar with 3 cups of boiling water, then watch your cubes all melt into a brine. In an hour you'll have liquid soap. In an hour you'll have Castile soap. You can go wash your hair, clean your counters or underwear, 'cause Castile soap is natural and chemical free. Hey everybody, it's me. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, in case you're wondering, I'm not wearing any makeup. And this is what I look like when I wake up in the morning. Run for the hills! I made that video a very long time ago and I just decided to resurrect it again because it does have a lot of relevancy. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please be sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, yes! So that you can see more videos from me in the future. If you have any ideas of what other videos you would like for me to make, please be sure to comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear all of your suggestions. Alright, y'all. Talk to y'all later!